Have you ever sent a Paysend transaction and suddenly realized you made a mistake? Maybe you sent the money to the wrong person, or perhaps you sent too much. What do you do in such a situation? How do you cancel a Paysend transaction? Paysend is a popular money transfer service that allows you to send money quickly and easily to various destinations worldwide. While it's a convenient option, mistakes can happen. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to cancel a Paysend transaction. Step 1. Contact Paysend support immediately. The first and most crucial step is to contact Paysend's customer support as soon as you realize you've made a mistake. They have the authority to cancel a transaction before it's processed. Here are the different ways you can contact Paysend support. Phone. Call their customer support number. Email. Send an email to their support address. Live chat. Use their live chat feature on their website. Step 2. Provide necessary information. When you contact Paysend support, be prepared to provide the following information: your Paysend account details, the transaction reference number, the recipient's information, the reason for the cancellation. Step 3. Request cancellation. Clearly state your intention to cancel the transaction. Explain the reason for the cancellation and provide any supporting evidence if necessary. Step 4. Follow up. After submitting your cancellation request, follow up with Paysend support to ensure they have received it and are working on it. This will help expedite the process. Additional tips. Act quickly. The sooner you contact Paysend support, the higher the chances of successfully canceling the transaction. Be polite and patient. Approach the support team with courtesy and understanding. Keep a record. Maintain a record of your correspondence with Paysend, including the date, time, and details of your interaction. Cancellation timeframes. The time it takes to cancel a Paysend transaction can vary depending on several factors, such as the recipient's location and the processing status of the transaction. In general, the sooner you initiate the cancellation process, the better your chances of stopping the transfer before it reaches the recipient. What if the transaction has already been processed? If the transaction has already been processed and the funds have been credited to the recipient's account, it may be more challenging to recover the money. However, you can still try to contact Paysend support and explain the situation. They may be able to assist you in resolving the issue. Canceling a Paysend transaction is a relatively straightforward process if you act promptly and provide the necessary information to Paysend support. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can increase your chances of successfully reversing the transaction and preventing any financial loss. Have you ever faced a similar situation with Paysend? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.